Good morning, children. The next exercise concept. Monotonicity of functions. Monotonicity of function. The first one is, the given function is increasing or decreasing. If the function f of x is differentiable in open interval a comma b, then we say that the first derivative always greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, then f of x is said to be increasing in the a comma b. Suppose the sum greater than or equal to 0 means increasing function. Strictly greater than 0. Only greater than 0 means this is called strictly increasing. The same thing, with less than or equal to 0 means decreasing function. With less than 0 means strictly decreasing. Am I right? The f of x is given, find first derivative f of x up to s, some intervals are given, substitute the interval, we get less than 0 means strictly decreasing. Less than or equal to 0 means only decreasing. Greater than or equal to 0 means only increasing. Only greater than 0 means strictly decreasing. In this way you will find. The stationary point, x naught, f of x naught are here. Differential function f of x is there. f dash of x naught equal to 0. That means what? First derivative equal to 0, you would find the x value. Substitute the x value in the given function. That is called critical point, stationary point. Am I right? f dash of something is equal to 0, which implies you would find x value. No, that is called critical numbers. Number, substitute the number in the given function, we get f of some number. No, suppose f of x equal to something which is equal to 0, you will find that f dash of x equal to 0, you will find the value of x equal to 2. Suppose substitute x equal to 2 in the given function, f of 2 equal to something. No, therefore 2 comma something is the stationary point. X value alone is called critical number. Critical point. This is the first derivative equal to 0, you will find the value. No, that is called critical point. Critical point. Stationary points, increasing, strictly increasing, decreasing, strictly decreasing. The one more concept, absolute maximum and absolute minimum. Absolute maximum and absolute minimum. What is that again? The absolute maximum and minimum value of the given function is asked. This type of question only f of x is equal to, suppose for example, this is given. The interval minus 2 comma 5 is given, suppose for example. What is the working norm? First find f dash of x, which is equal to 0, you would find x. For example, x is equal to 0, suppose here, suppose here x is equal to 0, x value is what? 0. This is called critical numbers. This is called critical numbers. 0 comma 1 is that critical numbers. This is called n points. Minus 2 comma 5, n point. So we have 4 points are there. 4 values are there. X value to 0, 1, minus 2, then 5. 4 values are there. Substitute all the values in the given function. Find f of 0, f of 1, f of minus 2, f of 5. We have 4 values now, 4 answers. Out of 4 answers, which is the minimum? That is called absolute minimum. Which is maximum out of 4 number? That is called absolute maximum. That is answer. Sometimes we get x value only one value. This is called critical number. Critical number, 8 points. Suppose find f of 0, f of 0, f of minus 2, f of 3. Out of 3 values, which is maximum? That is called absolute maximum. Which is minimum? That is called absolute minimum. That is answer. Absolute maximum and minimum asking me. First derivative equal to 0, f of x is given. Find first derivative, which is equal to 0, you would find the x value. That x value may be 1 value will come, or 2 value will come, sometimes 3 value also will come. Sometimes. But in the book actually I think only 1 value or 2 value. So only 1 value. Here the end points are 2 values. Of x values are 0, minus 2, 5. Substitute all the values in the given function. f of 0, f of minus 2, f of 5. We have 3 answers now. Out of 3 answers, which is the maximum number, highest number, that is called absolute maximum. Which is the least number, that is called absolute. That is a concept. Very simple concept. This was important. Why this much idea only? Next exercise. In this exercise, so many small sums are there, small concepts also there. You must thorough the definition or working rule. That's the main. Now listen here. Exercise 6.7.6. Find the absolute extrema. That is what? The absolute extreme maximum or minimum is asking. Absolute maximum and minimum is asking. Absolute maximum, absolute minimum is asking. That means extrema. That means what? Maximum or minimum of the following functions in the closed interval is asking. What I told you? What is the original? First given f of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 10. Am I right? Now differentiate with respect to x always. Am I right? F dash of x is equal to the x square equal to 2x minus 12 into 1. Constant is here because x is 1. The last is constant is 0. So 2x minus 4. Now what I told you? The first derivative equal to 0 implies 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Or 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6. Here x value only 1 value. This is the critical numbers. Critical number is only 6. Am I right? Immediately find when x is equal to 6, come on, f of 6, substitute that 6 square minus 12 into 6 plus 10, 36 minus 12, 72 plus 10. Here minus 32 minus 26. Am I right? This is the first answer. Am I right or not? This idea. Now the end points are the end values are 1, 2. X is 1 and x is 2. Am I right? Now f of 1 equal to something here 1 square 12 into 1 plus 10. Am I right? Here minus 10, 12, here plus 11 plus 1 minus 1. This is called x answer. Next is what? X is 2 no? When x equal to 1, this is answer. When x equal to f of 2 equal to 2 square 12 into plus 10. 4 minus 24 plus 10. That is 14 minus 24. It is minus 10. We have 23 values. Okay? F of minus 6, f of 1, f of 2. Out of these 3 values, which is the maximum value? Which is the minimum value? That is the answer. You want to write the answer clearly. Which is the maximum value? Comparing all 3 values. 3 number. Minus 26, minus 1, minus 10. Which is the maximum number actually? Minus 1 is the maximum number. Out of these 3 numbers, in the graph, 0, 1, 2, etc. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Minus 10. Okay? Minus 10, etc. Minus 20. Out of these 3 numbers, this is the maximum, this is the minimum. Am I right? Am I correct? That's why, therefore, the absolute, the maximum is minus 1 and the absolute minimum is minus 26. This is the answer. What is asking? Why the absolute extrema? That is what? Maximum minimum is asking. This is the answer. Anyway, this type of question easy for you. What is the concept actually? What is the keyword? First d equal to 0. You will find the x value, that is called critical number, substitute the number in the given function. And interval definitely given. This interval is definitely given. Close interval. That's why you consider x into 1, x into 2. This is called n values. All the n values. Am I correct? N values or n points actually. Substitute that number also. X equal to 1, you will find f of 1. Similarly, you will find f of 2 also. We have 3 values. Out of 3 values, which is the maximum, that is called absolute maximum. The n points are, this is called non-values, n points are. That's all. Very simple concept. All the 3 numbers are negative. Out of 3 numbers, this is the maximum number, that is the absolute maximum. Next one is absolute minimum. In this model, the exercise problem we have 4 problems are there. In exercise problem, 4 problems are all the same method. This is the working rule. You must know the working rule. The absolute maximum, minimum asking mean, or absolute extrema asking mean. What is the working rule? F of x given, to find the difference of x, that is equal to 0, you will find the x value. That is called critical number. Substitute the number in the given function. Interval also given, that is called endpoints. Substitute the x value in the given function. Out of 3 answers, which is maximum, that is the absolute maximum. Which is minimum, that is called absolute minimum. Sometimes 2 ways are coming. Out of 4 answers, you will come to. Now substitution 2, f of x is equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x squared. The same method, f of x is given. Now differentiate with respect to x. We have of x equal to 3 into 4x cube minus 4 into x. Now multiply 12x cube minus 8x. Now what I told you? Now the first derivative equal to 0 implies 12x cube minus 8x equal to 0. Am I right? Now out of these two terms, which is common? Which is common? The question is here, not x square, x cube but 2. What is the answer here? 3x square. Am I right? Now multiply 12x square. Now out of these two, what is common? X square is common. 12 also common. Am I right? What is the remainder? X minus 1. That's the price. 12x square 0 or x equal to 1. X minus 1 0. Therefore, x equal to 0, x equal to 1. Therefore, this is called critical numbers are 0 and 1. Critical numbers are x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, f of 0, substitute that 3 into 0 minus 0, 0 and 0. When x equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 cube. Am I right? By 3 minus 1 power 4 1 only. 3 was a 3. 3 minus 4. Am I right? That is minus 1. Am I correct or not? Simplify 3 into 0 power 4 minus 4 to 0 power 3. It will be 0. This is the first answer with the box. When x equal to 1, the power 1 equal to 3 into 1 power 4 minus 4 into 1 power 4. That is minus 1. This is called the power 1. Am I right? Now what are the end points? Therefore, the end points are x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2. Substitute here. X equal to minus 1 comma 3 into minus 1 whole power 4, 4 into minus 1 whole power 3. This is the even number now. What do you think? The odd number plus 4. 75. When x equal to f of 2 equal to 3 2 power 4 minus 4 into 2 power 3. 3 into 16. 4 into 8 is 48 minus 32. What is what? 16. Out of 4 numbers, 0, minus 1, 7, 16. Which is absolute maximum? Maximum is 16. Therefore, the absolute, the maximum is 16. Next one is, the absolute minimum is, what is the answer after 4 number? 0. Below the minus 1, that is the minus 1 sign. Comparing all the 4 answers, which is the least number, that is minus 1. That is the answer. Concept very simple. First derivative equal to 0, you will find x value. Substitute the x value in the given function. Two answers are over. End points are 2 values x value is given. Substitute there. Again 2 answers. Out of 4 answers, you will comparing which one maximum, that is called absolute maximum, which one minimum, that is called absolute minimum. That's all. This one over. Next question. Third subdivision. F of x given. Now what is given? The same thing, same model. 6 into x power 4 by 3. 3 into x power 1 by 3. Now differentiate with respect to x. What is the answer? F of x equal to 6 into x power 4 now. 4 by 3 into x power. The power is reduced by 1. Am I right? Minus 3 into 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1. Am I right? Am I right or not? Now 1 times 2 times. Am I right? Cancel. After cancel 2, so 2 was 8. This can be as x power 3 is LCM. 3 was 3. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 3 no 1. Here 3 cancel only x power. Your power x power 1 by 3 is that. That's why this can be as x power 1 by 3 into x power minus 1. Then only out of these two numbers, x power 1 by 3 is common term. The remaining numbers are x 8 minus this can also know x power minus 1 by x. Am I right? X power 1 by x, you take x is LCM 8x minus 1. Am I right? This is the first derivative. Now the first derivative equal to 0 implies x power 1 by 3, 8x minus 1 by x equal to 0. Cross multiply, 0 is 0. The product first time is 0 or second time is 0. Am I right? X equal to 0 or x equal to 1 by 8. Am I correct? This is the critical numbers. Critical numbers. Numbers are 0, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1 by 8. First one, at x equal to 0, f dash of x is does not exist. Am I correct? Because when x equal to 0 here, infinity will come, f dash of x is infinity will come. That's why don't put x equal to 0 in the given function. Need not put. Now x equal to 1 by 8 becomes comma 6 f of 1 by 8 is equal to 6 into 1 by 8 whole power 4 by 3 minus 3 into 1 by 8 whole power 1 by 3. Okay? This can be as 6 into 1 by 2 cube. Okay? 1 by 2 whole cube whole power 4 by 3 minus this also 1 by 2 whole power 3 then whole power 1 by 3. Now the power will be multiplied, 3 cancel, you get the answer 1 by 2 power 4. Here, this also cancel 1 by 2. Okay? Now 1 by 16, 3 by cancel 2 times 3 by 8. Now 8 is LCM, 3 minus 12, 1 by 4, minus 4 by 8, minus 9 by 8 is the first value for the power 1 by 8. Some fraction is coming. First answer. Am I correct? Minus 9 is the first answer because the fraction is coming. Somewhat extra we can play. Next is actually what? The end values are or the end points are x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. Now when x is equal to minus 1, f of minus 1 equal to substitute that 6 into minus 1 whole power 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 equal to minus 1 whole power 4 is the no? That is even number. That's why plus will come. Only 6. Here, what is the number? Here, odd number, no? Minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. 1 is the odd number. Or otherwise, this can be as minus 1 whole power 1 in this way 1 by. Am I correct? Anyway, this is the odd number, minus 1 will come. That's why minus 1. 3 into minus of minus 1. Actually, here 3 into plus 1. 3 into minus of minus 1 equal to what? 6 plus 3, 9 is the answer. So therefore, f of minus 1 9 is the next answer. When x equal to 1, f of 1 into 6 into something, minus 3 into something. 1 by 1 only 3. Now compare the answer. Out of these three answers, the maximum value is what? 9. The minimum value is what? Minus 98. That is the answer. Therefore, absolute, the maximum is 9. Absolute, the minimum is minus 98 is the answer. Here the class is coming. That's why somewhat extra work. But concepts are easy. First derivative equal to 0, you can explain. Yeah, 2 values are coming. 0 and 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Substitute x equal to 0. That is 0, need not 0 because that's not exist. The remaining 3 answers will be there. That's the answer. One more question is there in this. Now, fourth question is the same as only. Given f of x equal to 2 cos x plus sin x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Am I right? So f of x is equal to 2 into differentiation of cos x becomes minus sin x plus differentiation of sin 2x becomes cos 2x into 2 is important. 2 is common minus sin x plus cos 2x. This is the first derivative. Am I right? Now, the first derivative equal to 0 implies 2 into minus sin x plus cos 2x equal to 0. Cos 2 cancel. So minus sin x plus. Now, you must find the value x, you know. That's why the 2 is there, only x is there. Convert it to only x. Cos x formula is 1 minus 2 sin square is the formula for trigonometry. Cos 2x, we get 3 formula. Cos 2a, what are the formula? Cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a is the one formula. In some cos square is what? 1 minus sin square. Always sin square is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Next is cos square. Formula for sin square is what? 1 minus cos square. Simplify 2 cos square minus 1. In this is 3 formulas are there. But in first term sin x is there. That's why I want to put the formula for cos x equal to inverse sin x. Then only it is a quadratic equation sin x. Solving this equation 2 values for x. That's important. Now right now multiply minus plus 2 sin squared x. Am I right? Here plus sin x here. Here minus. Am I right? Now solve product of 2 numbers is what? 2 into minus 1 minus 2. In between 1. What are the number? Product of 2 numbers is minus 2. Sum of them is 1. What are the number? 1 into 2. 2. But here 2 minus. But in front of x square, sin x square, 2 is there. Divided by 2. So what is the answer? 2 sin x minus 1 into, next is what you know? Sin x plus 1. Am I right? Now, 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0 meaning 2 sin x equal to 1, sin x equal to 1 by 2, the partition. So sin x plus 1 equal to 0 meaning sin x equal to what? Minus 1. Again, the 1 by 2 can be as 1 by 2 sin x. The 1 by 2 is what? Sin 30. So sin of 5 by 6 actually. Of x equal to 5 by 6. Next sin x equal to the minus 1 can be as sin of minus 1 by 2 of x equal to minus 1 by 2. This is does not belong to 0, 5 by 2. You will find that x value, both the values are always done in this interval. Previously all 3 problems are, you must find the 3 number now. That number is always inside the interval. But this particular problem, one number is not in the interval. That's why that is not possible. Only possible values are the critical numbers are number is only x equal to 5 by 6. Am I right? Now f of 5 by 6. When x equal to 5 by 6, f of 5 by 6 equal to 2 into 5 by 6 plus sin 2 into 5 by 6. Am I right? 5 by 6 no? 2 into cos that is what? Root 3. Sin 60 no? Root 3. Am I right? This is 30 After 2 cancellation, pi by 3 only cos 60 root 3 by 2. Now the first answer is root involving. That is not a matter. Okay? Now take LCM and simplify. 2 is LCM now. 2 is LCM. 2 root 2 root 3 plus root 3 root 3. This is the first answer. The 2 is LCM. Next is what? The end points are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 2. Now when x is equal to 0, f of 0 is equal to 2 cos 0 plus sin of 2 into 0 0. You got what? 2 into 1 plus 0, that is 2 only answer. When x is equal to pi by 2, f of pi by 2 is equal to 2 into cos pi by 2 plus sin 2 into pi by 2 to cancel. Now this 2 is not possible to cancel. Very important. 2 into cos 90 is 0. Sin pi is minus 1. That is 0 and minus 1. Now out of these three values, what are the values? 3 root 3 by 2. Alright? This minus 1, 2. Now this is the minimum value. Directly understood. But after this 2 number which is maximum, that's very important. Root 3 value is what? 1.732. Alright? Multiply both. 1.732 means multiply with 3 means 5 point something will come. Divided by 2 is what? 2.7 something will come. But this is maximum. Because only 2 is this one. Or simplification this is 2 point something is coming. That's why this is a maximum, this is a minimum. Therefore, the absolute maximum is the maximum is 3 root 3 by 2. Therefore, next one is the absolute minimum is minus 1. That is the answer. Anyway, here, very important, sir. You must find the critical number. That number always lies in the interval. First 3 problems are the critical numbers are always lies in the interval. But in this particular problem, what is not in the interval. That's why neglect the number, remaining only the critical number. That is the answer. Now listen here. Find the intervals of monotonicity. Monotonicity means find the interval at which the given curve is increasing or decreasing. That is the concept of monotonicity. The monotonicity is asking or rather increasing and decreasing asking the same working rule. If it is f of x greater than 0 means 60 degree increasing, less than 0 means 60 degree. This is the idea. And also find local extrema. Previously absolute extrema. That is called absolute maximum minimum. The local extrema means what the mean? Local maximum and local minimum is asking. From the monotonicity, you will find the local extrema. That is easy for you. We double over actually. First find monotonicity, after find local extreme. Now this is going on. What I told you the same again only. You will find differentiate with respect to x. We have of x equal to 2 into 3x square, 3 into 2x, 12 into 1, 6x square, 6x minus 12, 6 is common. Am I right? Now you want to factorize. Product of 2 is minus 2 is 1. What are the number? Minus 1, 2. Am I right? Product sum. The answer is x minus 1, x plus 2. Am I right? Now, previous area. F of x is equal to 0 implies 6 into x minus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0. But 6 goes the same, 0 is something 0, x minus 1, you know. If x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2. This is the critical number. These are all the same working rule. X is 1 and x is equal to 2. Am I right? Now, find the monotonicity. It's called what? Increasing. Put the number in the interval. This is a minus infinity. This is a plus infinity. Am I right? What are number here? 1 here, minus 2 here. Am I right? Now put the interval. Am I right? Now f dash of x equal to what? X minus 1 in 6 into x minus 1 into x plus 2. Am I right? Next, monotonicity. Monotonicity. Put the pause. Am I right? How many intervals are there? We got 3 intervals. What are the interval? Put the box clearly. Am I right? What interval? Minus infinity comma minus 2. Minus 2 comma 1. Am I right? Then 1 comma infinity. 3 intervals are there. In the interval, infinity what are the number? Minus 2 before. What is the number? Minus 3, minus 4, minus extra going on. Say x equal to minus 3. We get f dash of x equal to minus of 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 6. Am I right? Are they greater than 0? Am I right? This is the idea. We don't want number, particular number. In between interval minus 3 to minus 2, we have so many numbers. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 going on. You put small number, substitute there, we will get the answer, no? Whether it is negative or positive. If it is negative number means less than 0. If it is positive number, greater than 0. This is the idea. Don't put the particular number and simplify the answer. We don't want answer. We want only the sign, whether it is plus or minus. Am I right? Automatically, greater than means it is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. First answer over. Next one is in between minus 2 comma 1, no? Minus 2 comma 1, what is the number? Minus 1, 0. I put 0. X equal to 0. Amen. Now f of x equal to 0 means minus 1. 0 means plus 2. What am I about? Minus. Minus means less than 0. The answer is strictly decreasing. Next is what? Say 1 to infinity x equal to 2. But definitely this is positive income because the power 3, no, that is not right. The leading equation represent straight line. The x power 2, power 3 means this is a curve. In this way going on. Some interval up, some interval lower, down. That is what? Increasing or decreasing. One is increasing, next one decreasing, next one increasing. This way will come. Most of the problem, the same thing will come. That's why here simply increasing. Sometimes the monotonicity is only asking. This is the answer. F of x given, find derivative of x. F dash of x, which is equal to 0, you will find the interval. From the interval, you will put in between the number. You get positive means increasing, negative decreasing. That is the monotonicity. Sometimes find the interval at which the given curve is increasing or decreasing asking. Both the same meaning. This is the answer. What is next asking? To find the local maximum minimum. This is the second problem. It's important. Am I right? The second derivative, that is what? Is the first derivative, no? First one is f dash of x changes minus, you know. Here, put the sign here, the positive, this is positive. Put the sign positive. The negative, here positive. Am I right? Positive, negative at minus 2 changes positive to negative at x is equal to minus 2. Am I right? Am I right? The first derivative changes sign from changes the sign or only changes negative changes from positive negative, from positive to negative at x is minus 2. Therefore, the positive continuum that is called local maximum. That is called what? Local maximum. Therefore, local maximum is f of minus 2 equal to, substitute here in the given function, 2 into minus 2 whole cube minus plus 3 into minus 2 whole square, 12 into minus, simplify, minus 8, 3, 4, 3, plus 24. Am I right? Minus 16, 12 plus 24, 20 is the answer. This is called local maximum. Next one, and f of x changes from negative to positive at x equal to what? 1. Therefore, the local minimum is f of 1 equal to, substitute 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 2 into 1. Your answer 2 plus 3 plus minus 12. That's to be by minus 7. Am I right? In this way, find out. Negative to positive means local minimum. Positive to negative means maximum. Am I right? Therefore, your answer is, write the answer in words. Therefore, the final answer, local maximum is 20. Local minimum is minus 7. Am I right? This is the answer. This is the answer. Minus 7 is the answer. Maybe the two parts, two solutions asking local maximum and local extrema. That is what? Local maximum is asking from the monotonicity. In part of 5 mark question, we have two solutions are there. Am I right? This is the first question. First solution. Actually, both are covered in asking from the monotonicity, you will find the local maximum. Therefore, I will put second solution. Otherwise, not the same. This answer. Here 4 problems are there. All the problems same method only. Only this is 4 questions are there. Sorry, 5 questions are there. 5 questions. All the 5 questions are same method only. Now second solution, f of x equal to x divided by x minus y. Numerator divided by x now. That's why we use u by the formula. First side the formula. Divided by b square, b minus minus u minus. What is that? X minus 5 whole square. X minus 5 into numerator is what? X. Divided by x is 1 minus u into divided by is what? 1 minus 0. X minus 5 minus x by x minus 5 whole square. This is the cancel now. 1 minus 5 by x minus 5 whole square. This is called first derivative. Am I right? Now what I told you? Now f of x equal to 0 implies minus 5 x minus 5 whole square. No, this is not possible 0. What is this? Suppose it is 0 means cos multiplied minus 5 equal to 0. That is mean this. Therefore, from f of x equal to 0, you will not find the x value. But there is no critical numbers. Am I right? But f of x does not exist. Does not. Am I right? Does not exist when the denominator is equal to 0 means x equal to 5. Am I right? Actually, you find the value of critical number. We have two methods. Am I right? What is the method? F of x equal to 0, you will find the x value. Or otherwise, f of x does not exist when x equal to some number. Here, denominator is involved in the 5. F of x does not exist at x is equal to 5. Okay, there is no stationary point, but the critical number is 5 is there. Here only 5. Therefore, the critical number is only 5. Now the same method only. The interval minus infinity plus infinity is only 5 is there. Here only 2 interval. Am I right? Interval. Am I right? So f of x is equal to minus 5 by x minus 5 whole square. Next is monotonicity. Monotonicity. Am I right? For the first interval, minus infinity comma 5. Here 5 comma infinity. 1 2 intervals. Put the box clearly. Now, in between, below 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, extra 5. Am I right? So 5 to 0 is number. Say x equal to 0. If you press off x is equal to 0 means minus 5 whole square 25. But in negative is there. That's less than 0. Am I right? Strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing. Am I right? Now again above 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose 6 here, 6 minus 5, 1 square. But in given 5 is there, minus 5 is there. That is negative. Say x equals 6. Again, you press on x equal to less than 0. Here also less than 0. That means strictly decreasing. This particular problem, both are strictly decreasing. That means what? F of x is strictly decreasing on the both end level. That's all. Therefore, f of x is strictly decreasing on both interval minus infinity 5 and 5 comma infinity. This is also over. Am I right? Previously, decreasing will come, decreasing will come. But here, both are decreasing. Both the given curve is always strictly decreasing. That is the answer. The next one is what? What I told you, to find the local maximum, I mean, if f of x change the sign, then only we get local maximum or local minimum. But here, the signs are not changed. Here also negative, here also negative. Therefore, this f of x does not change the sign. Does not change the sign. Am I right? That's why there is no local extrema. If f of x does not change the sign, that's why there is no, there is no local extrema. That is the answer. That means what? Local maximum nil. That is the answer. Nil. Illa. No local minimum also nil. This is the answer. Some other problem? Local maximum nil, local minimum also nil. That is the answer. Signs are changed means negative to positive means local minimum. Positive negative means local maximum. But here both are same sign. Less than 0, less than 0. That's why local maximum, local minimum. This is the answer. Third solution, f of x equal to e power x by 1 minus e power x. This is given. Now difference is what? The same method. U will be formula. For the reference, write the formula. Now here, 1 minus e power x whole square. Am I correct? Okay, 1 minus e power x is there. The e power x equals only minus. U is what? E power x. Here, 0 minus e power x. Am I correct? Now multiply e power x minus e power x equal to e power 2x minus again plus e power 2x. Divided by 1 minus e power x whole square. This will be cancelled. We get the answer e power x by 1 minus e power x whole square. Am I correct? Now, possibility equal to 0 implies e power x whole square equal to 0. Cross multiply e power x to 0. The 0 can be as e power minus infinity of x equal to minus infinity. Am I correct? Am I correct? Now, this is here e power infinity given only, but e power minus infinity 0 of x is minus infinity. Now, here this is called critical number, but there is no stationary points. Therefore, there is no stationary point. The critical numbers are what? Critical number is minus infinity. By using the minus infinity, you will not find the change sign that is negative or positive. But f of x is what? E power x by 1 minus e power x whole square is always positive for x is belongs to minus infinity comma infinity. Am I correct? Am I correct? When x is equal to substitute any number, we will get the answer always positive because e power x is positive. Am I correct? Limit also positive. Here, inside but what out may be used square, positive. Therefore, always positive. Therefore, f of s is always strictly increasing on minus infinity of minus infinity. You are putting down, that's all. Strictly increasing over. Here, there is no change of sign now. There is no change of sign. Therefore, there is no local extrema. That is the answer. The same thing only. There is no change of sign. There is no change of sign. That's why there is no local extrema. Therefore, local maximum may be the local minimum also may be. Because they are always increasing. That's why there is no change of sign. That's why there is no local extrema. We get the answer. There is no local maximum minimum. That's all. If there is a fourth solution, this is given. Since or directly f of x exists only for 0, infinity. What is this? Log x square. Log of negative is not possible. So only 0, infinity. Usually minus infinity plus infinity. Here 0 infinity. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get f dash of x is equal to the gravity 3, no change. This one is 3 square. Okay? 1 base. Now x is LCM. X cube minus 1. Now, f dash of x equal to 0 implies x cube minus 1 x equal to 0. X cube minus 1 0. X cube is 1. X equal to 1. And f dash of x does not exist when x equal to 0. Therefore, the critical numbers are x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. That's important. Now what is the interval? The previous area now. Interval 0 to infinity, in between 1. Am I correct? Now interval 0, 1, infinity. F dash of x is equal to what? X cube minus 1 by x. A monotonicity. Now the first interval 0, 1, say x is 1 by 2. What is the answer? In therefore, put the calculation 1 by 2 whole power 3 minus 1 by 2. Am I right? This is actually 1 by 8. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Am I right? Take LCM. LCM is what? 8. 1 minus 8 into 2 by 1. Negative term. Therefore, f dash of x less than 0, strictly decreasing. Am I right? 1 to infinity now, let it be. Suppose 2. Substitute 2 cube. 2 cube 8. 7 by 2. That is positive. Say x equal to f dash of x is positive. Therefore, strictly decreasing. In this way, you put the calculation number, direct right answer, whether it is more than 0 or less than 0. That's important. We want only the negative 0 or positive 0. That's important. Now, increase is over. Increase is over. Monotonicity over. Now to find the f dash of x changes from first one is what? Negative, this is positive. Am I right? Changes from negative to positive at x is equal to 1. Therefore, the local minimum is f of 1 equal to, substitute that 1 cube by 3 minus log 1. Log 1 is 0. Am I right? 0 by 3. That's all. Therefore, local minimum is equal to 1 by 3. Local maximum in maximum is the answer. Say with only. Here one more extra condition. This x is only for 0 comma infinity. Don't put negative value. 0 to infinity only. Now let's say important question. The trigonometry 0 comma 2 pi is given. You want to guess the x value from between 0 and 2 pi. Now differentiate. The before differentiation, avoid using formula divided by 2, multiply by 2. Am I right? What is the reason? Now 1 by 2 into this is actually sine 2x is a trigonometry formula. Am I right? Now difference is easy for you. Differentiate with respect to x. Replace all x equal to 1 by 2 into sin 2x becomes cos 2x into 2 plus 5 into 1. Am I right? Am I right? 5 into 1 plus 5. Actually, the question is only 5, comma x plus 2. Only 5 no? Difference is what? 0 will become. Only cos this. Now, second derivative percentage 0 implies cos 2x equal to 0. The cos 3x equal to cos 5 by 2. Am I right? Am I right? Cos 5 by 2 also. Again, cos 3 pi by 2. Am I right? Next say 5 by 2. Am I right? This is going on up to 2 pi. That's important. Up to 2 pi means 360. Below 360 is up to 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2. Am I right? Am I right? In between cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2, cos 7 pi by 2. This all 0 will come. Cos pi by 2, the between 0 and 2 pi, no? Am I right? In the same will come. Next one, pi by 90, 90 into 7. 90 into 7 is what? 630, no? And also here 2x is there. Divided by 2. Am I right? 630 divided by 2, 330. That's why you guess the value up to 7 pi by 2. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. More than will come, that is not possible because up to 2 pi only is given. Now, automatically 2x is equal to only pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. Am I right? We want x, you know, divided by 2, there is a pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. These are all the critical numbers. Am I right? These are all critical numbers. Now put the interval. It is 0, here pi. In between, pi by 4, next 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Here, interval 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Someone let the calculation this problem. You will put the consider interval 1 by 1. Interval. First one. Interval. Next is what? F dash of x equal to cos 2x. Here monotonicity. Monotonicity. Am I right? Now it is 0 comma pi by 4. Pi by 4 comma 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 comma 5 pi by 4. Here 7 pi by 4 comma 7 pi by 4. Next 7 pi by 4 comma 5. In this way, interval, so many interval. Now this is 45 degree. This is a 45 degree. Am I right? 45 degree. Below 45, 0 to 45 degree, 30 degree. That is what? 5 by 6. X equal to, say, x equal to 5 by 6. Automatically, emphasis of x is positive. Am I right? First is not strictly increasing. Next is what? 45 to 135. This is 135. Am I correct? 135 means in 90 will come. Am I correct? So cos of 2 into 90, 180. Cos side is what? Cos 180. Cos is minus 1. So negative will come. Next one is what? If press of x is less than 0. Strictly decreasing. Let's say x is equal to, again this 5 by 6 bar, 5 by 4. Okay? Next is what? Here. This is 135. Here. 225. Put the x equal to 5. Pi means what? 2 pi, cos 2 pi. Cos 360 is cos 0, 1, positive. Strictly increasing. Again, for this problem, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive only will come. Next one, that is the answer. Right answer. This is actually less than 0. This is actually greater than 0. You put the value, the same answer will come. Strictly decreasing. Strictly increasing. Am I correct? Now, this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Therefore, someone let the calculation. Evidence of x changes from positive to negative at positive, 5 by 4. Again, positive, negative, 5 by 4. In this way, therefore, local maximum are f of 5 by 4 and f of 5 by 4. Am I right? Now simplify the answer. Substitute here, we get answer. Cos 45 is sin 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 5. What is the answer? Simplify, we get the answer 11 by 2. The next one also what? 5 by 4. This also 5 by 4 is what? 225. 180 plus 45. 180 means unchanged. The same thing will come. Am I right? Same thing will come. Therefore, f of 5 by 4 equal to substitute there sin 5 by 4 cos 5 by 4 plus 5 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 plus 5 1 by 2 plus 5 equal to what? 5 and a half plus 11 by 2. Again sin 5 by 4 cos 5 by 4 plus 5 here to 225. What I got 225 no? Sin 225. So sin 190 plus 45 unchanged. Am I right? Sin only 45. 190 plus which quadrant? Third quadrant. A, S, T, C. T only positive. So minus 1 by root 2. Here minus 1 by root 2 again. Therefore, by chance 1 by 2 plus 5, the same answer will come. Am I right? The local maximum value is 11 by 2. Over. Next one, f of x changes from negative to positive at what is the value? Negative to positive, negative to positive. 3 pi by 4 and x equal to pi by 4. Am I right? Therefore, local minimum are f of 3 pi by 4 and f of pi by 4. Am I right? Now substitute find the value. F of 3 by 4 equal to sin of 3 pi by 4 cos of 3 pi by 4 plus pi. Now 3 pi by 4 will be what? 135. Sin 135 180 minus 45. Am I right? 180 minus 45. 180 minus 45 means 180 unchanged, but 180 minus 1 AST, sin only positive. So 1 by root 2 will come. Am I right? 1 by root 2 will come. Otherwise, substitute the value here or here, whichever possible you will substitute here. Suppose you substitute 3 pi by 4 now. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 2 cancel. Am I right? What is the answer? So 6 pi will come. 3 pi by 2 will come. Pi by 2 means simplify the answer. You get the answer. 2 into only minus 1 will come. Minus 1 will come. Totally minus 1 by 2 will come. Then simplify. Do the calculation of 4. We get here minus 1 by 2 plus 5. That is what is the answer? 2 LCM no? Then 9 by 2 will come. Do the calculation. Here 5. Next is what? 5 by 4. Sin 5 by 4. Into cos 5 by 4 plus 5. In therefore, do the calculation. 225 degree. 225 means again the same thing will come. Minus 1 by 2 plus 5 will come. Therefore, do the calculation. Therefore, the final is therefore local maximum is what is local maximum? Local maximum is 11 by 2. Local minimum is 9 by 2 is the answer. In trigonometry function, there are so many inputs are there, that's why lengthy process. But concepts are easy. Do yourself. This exercise is completely over. 7.6 exercise. We have first 4 problems, now 5 problems, 9 problems are over. So many examples are the same model. Refer the book. Do yourself.